Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So I just kind of wanted to do a quick video to talk about what I do differently from other Epicure consultants, and who knows, they might be doing the same thing too. But what I do that sets me apart, and something that I always think of is I think of myself as the customer first, meaning what makes me feel special? What makes me feel like, okay, I liked that store. I'm going to go there above anywhere else because I just like how they treated me. I like their products. I like the staff. So I think about what a place does that keeps me going back for more, right? So you have to think of yourself as the customer always. Sometimes customers ask a lot of questions. Some consultants can get, I don't want to say annoyed, but they get annoyed with that. Don't get annoyed. Take yourself back and think of yourself as a customer. If you answer 10 of her, questions, she will go, oh wow, she took the time to answer all of my questions. I'm going to order from her and not from anybody else. Little things like that. Think of yourself again, always think as the customer. When a customer purchases from you, say thank you. Something as little as saying thank you, sending them a message, calling them, anything to say thank you for your order. It doesn't matter if they purchase from you every month. Always say thank you and treat them as if it's been their first time. Treat them as if they had spent $1,000 on product. No order is too big or too small. Another thing that I like to do, which I'm just going to share my screen, which I did talk about this a little bit in one of the videos, but I'm going to share my screen again here. So let's say your customer orders some popcorn seasoning. I like to send them a recipe or two with their product. So let's say I had a lot of customers order lately the maple kettle corn popcorn seasoning. It's amazing. You should order this actually for yourself. So I will go to the full details. I will just sort of remind myself, like, what is this product? We have tons, so I don't always know exactly what's in it, but then I'll go, okay, so Epicure gives me some more ideas. That's why I go to this page, because Epicure gives me ideas. So that I'll go, oh, well, you know what? They haven't bought a steamer yet. I am going to copy this. So click on, again, full details. Send them this link and say, hey, if you needed a popcorn recipe, well, this isn't really a recipe, but this will help you, or let's say they bought a steamer and they bought the popcorn seasoning, but they didn't put two and two together, and they didn't know that they can make popcorn in the steamer. So I will send them this and say, hey, did you know you can make popcorn in your steamer? Here is a way how to do it. They will go, oh my God, I didn't even think about that. I think I am going to make popcorn tonight. Then they love it. They make it again and again and again, and then they need to buy more because they have made it so much. This spicy Chicago corn, I've never seen that. What's that about? I kind of want to make some of that right now. So this is just another way to make popcorn. So you can send them this and say to them, hey, for next month, if you love your popcorn so much, here is a recipe to make something else with different seasonings. Or let's just say your customer ordered the chicken broth. I will type that in, chicken broth, and then it just lists a bunch of different things you can make with the chicken broth. So let's just say maybe they don't know how to make it. You can just send them this. You do not even have to say, oh, I'm sending you this because you might not know how to make it, or you might not know how to use your product well. Just send it to them and say, I like sending a couple recipes every time somebody buys a new product. I hope this helps you. And that's just taking things a step ahead, because if they love what they purchase, it doesn't just sit in their cupboards. They actually use it, and then they need more. And again, the nice thing is when they go to the website, they see so much more. They might see this and then go, oh, wow, chicken parmesan. Well, I guess you can use it to make chicken parmesan, probably the sauce, but this does look really, really good. So I think tonight I'm going to make chicken, so you get the idea, right? Yeah, I thought maybe you could put the chicken broth in here to make like a thinner sauce, but it's not even using the chicken broth. So probably just the chicken. But anyways, you get the idea, right? So just set yourself up um, to be the best consultant that you can so that people know, oh, well, I have chicken leftovers. Maybe Andrea knows and she can help me with how to use some of my Epicure products. They will come to you because you are the expert. They will buy more because you are the expert. So treat them like they're the most amazing customer ever. It doesn't matter if they bought one thing or 10 things. Give them ideas on how to use their products. So thank you guys so much for listening. I will see you guys in the next one, and have a good Sunday.